Hello guys, welcome to my super knowledge sharing channel. In this video I'll be discussing the user experience INF4820 for the year 2018. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you enjoy it, please subscribe below and leave some comments and activate the notification bell so that you cannot miss any videos which I'm gonna post. In this video, I'm gonna select few questions for the year 2018 on the user experience module, which is INF4820. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and leave comments so that I can post more answered questions. I'll try to answer question 1.5 and I'll give you a step-by-step answering technique, and I will illustrate it fully. The first step to take is to replicate the table as it is from the paper to your Excel spreadsheet. Then extend the table by adding proportion on both sides, like on the horizontal side at the end of the participants and at the end of the issues. Write the word proportion on both ends. Then convert the x's to ones. Once we have extended the table, we have to calculate the proportion row and the proportion column and get the value of x here. I prefer to start here, and this is how it is done. You count 1, 2, 3, 4 issues out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 issues. This is how I got 4/5. 4/5 is equal to 80% as a percentage of 100. Then 8% is 0.8. You repeat the same process till you are done with all the participants. Once you are done with the column calculations, you move on to calculate the row calculations here. You do the same process. Here you use the participants. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 participants out of 7. That's how you get. That's how I got 5/7. Okay, good people. This horizontal section is the proportion row, and this vertical section is the proportion column. The answers should be the same vertically and horizontal. As you can see here, the answers from here to there, you get the same answer. From here to there, you get the same answer. You then proceed with the rest, repeating the same procedure or process till all the fields are filled. Make sure that the total you get here and the total you get there is the same. Now that we have the proportion figure, we should use that figure to calculate this part of the question, which says provide the percentage of issues that will be identified with a sample of 3, 4, 5, and 6 users. So we have to use the proportion to calculate this part here. I'm gonna show you how to calculate this part here. This is how the percentage part of the question is answered. All the users use the same proportion. In this case, it's 0.77. The only difference is the power which you use. For example, if you use 3 users, you put to the power 3. 4 users, you put to the power 4. 5 users, you put to the power 5. And 6 users, you put to the power 6. And so on and so on. Please note, if say you have used 0.8 as your proportion, the answer was gonna be slightly different from this one, but it won't be wrong, it will be correct, but there will be a slightly difference. What I have noticed is that the number of issues identified increases as the sample of users increases. And my conclusion is that some researchers say 5 participants are enough, and others say 5 participants are not enough. But according to the results of this exercise here, it indicates that 5 participants are enough. How do I know that 5 participants are enough? It's when I reach 99.99. That reflects, or that indicates, that 5 participants are enough. They say practice makes perfect. Kindly practice and practice and practice till you get the concept right. And you can apply what you have learned here to the 2020 assignment. The concept is still the same. Please, once more, practice and practice and practice till you get it right. Thank you for watching, guys. If you love this video, kindly subscribe and leave some comments. By the way, my name is C.